And what's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer photos and videos from your Panasonic G9 to your iPhone without connecting it to a computer, without connecting it to each other. This is completely wireless through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So here we go. First thing you need to do is go to the App Store. Go look for the Panasonic Image app. It's called the Image app, or what's even better, the updated version, which is the Panasonic Lumix Sync. So go ahead and download that and let's open it up. Once you are connected already through Bluetooth on your device, you don't even have to have your device turned on. You'll be able to connect this right away to your Panasonic G9 or GH5 on whichever Panasonic camera you have. This works on every Panasonic camera, mirrorless, point and shoot, as long as it's compatible with the app. Now, to set it up with your Panasonic G9 for the first time, what you need to do is go to Settings, press Menu on the Panasonic G9 on your camera. Check this out. It says Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Select the Wi-Fi first. Wi-Fi function. You're gonna select New Connection. And Remote Shooting and View. There you go. So once you've done that, now you're gonna go to your phone. Go to Settings. Check out Wi-Fi, and your Panasonic G9 or GH5, your camera should pop up on the networks. Since I already synced it on mine, I'm just gonna select it like that. And once it's connected, then I can go ahead and open the app again. And as you can see there, it'll start to connect right there under remote control. So once it's connected to Wi-Fi, then you can select remote shooting, which will show the Panasonic G9, what you could see there on the display, as you could see there. You could change the ISO, the shooting, different settings here. ISO, shutter speed, white balance, all on your device. You can also press record and take a photo. There's auto transfer as well. You can turn it on or off. Location logging and auto clock set. So there's tons of things that you can do with your Panasonic G9 through Bluetooth alone, but it's nice to have be connected through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So with this as well, wireless connection lamp, it has a lamp up here that is always on if it's connected to your phone. You can keep it on so that you know that it's connecting to your phone, or you can turn it off if it bothers you by pressing that. And that's it. That's everything you can do with the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your Panasonic G9. So basically, you can use your phone, your smartphone as your monitor for when you are recording with your Panasonic G9 or GH5. In this case, this is one of the best app for the market on all companies out there. And it's just amazing how Panasonic was able to create this beautiful app so that you can connect to your phone and transfer without connecting it to your computer. This is the best on-the-go app as well. So if you love that and you like to point and shoot just like me, you connect your phone and immediately you'll be able to upload your photos, you can do that as well. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys comment below if I was able to help you with this syncing, and if I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that like button as well, and please share this to your friends who have Panasonic G9. Hope to see you next time, and peace out.